Hello traders and welcome back. In this video, we'll explore the ICT Intraday Profile. We'll explore how the ICT Intraday Profiles are visualized on the charts, what different day profile types look like, and how they relate to liquidity and weekly buyers. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Actually, intraday profiles usually start from the weekly time frame, where ICT traders observe the price chart to know if we are in a bullish trend or in a bearish trend. It's more about top-down analysis. On intraday charts, after this, we go to like the daily, and you can see that we are still bullish on the daily. So we should be expecting more of sell-side liquidities to be taken and buy-side liquidities to be targeted. So going to the intraday, ICT intraday profiles can be illustrated using session boxes, volume profiles, or simple high-low annotations that capture the day's range, opening price, and where liquidity was raided during main sessions. Different day profiles, for example, a day that trends after a liquidity raid versus a day that remains range bound can be identified by how price organizes within and beyond those session boxes. For example, we have this range here, and eventually we have price coming to take the, remember we are bullish from the weekly time frame. We have price come to take this sell side liquidity here and tap into our other block sitting right here and give us a push to the upside. It's quite easy. We are looking for buys because the trading profile on the weekly shows us that we are bullish. The trading profile on the daily also shows us that we are bullish, and we have liquidity sweeps in the intraday confirming that bullish structure. Now, these profiles visually show where buy side and sell side liquidity were targeted, how far price expanded from the opening range, and where the day aligned with the higher time frame weekly profile, giving traders a structured way to classify intraday behavior within the broader ICT narrative. You can see this one here also. This is liquidity taking. You can see this range here. We have, remember, we are still bullish and we are looking for the buy side to be taken. We have this fair value gap here, which still got filled even after all this while, and it sponsored the push to the upside. Remember, we are bullish, so we're looking for more buy side liquidity to be taken, and the sells, those are trying to sell the market, we are looking to target them. We're looking to target those highs. So this ICT intraday profiles suit ICT practitioners who want to categorize days by behavior, such as trend days, range days, or liquidity rate days, and align their expectations with weekly macro context. Profiles are descriptive and analytical only. They do not execute trades, and not every day will fit cleanly into a textbook profile, especially around macroeconomic news or low liquidity conditions. To learn more about this, the link is in the description below. Make sure you check it out. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future ICT profile content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.